Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Oh God, 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 oh God. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading goals. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, go gangster touching high. Gold from the sky, go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every grade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high, low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew.
Yo, 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 what up, everybody? Good morning. I mean, not good morning. Good evening. Weird being up at night here. Good evening. Get the music going. All right, dude. All right. Dude, the names are weird right now. Usually it has your names that you pick. Right now it's got usernames for some reason. I don't know. So your names look a little bit different. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, Laser. I'm live, bro. I'm live, dude. I think we're gonna come back down here, dude. We got some equal lows. NASDAQ came down and made equal lows down here. We're tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. I think she's gonna drop down at some point. We got equal lows down here. Oh yeah, streaming at night. I'm ready. Man, we're gonna get to 7K subs. What up, Calvin? Streaming at night, dude. I'm getting crazy. I'm getting crazy tonight. Better watch out. Getting crazy. Looking at the MNQ here. Did the NASDAQ make equal lows down there? That's the real question. If the NQ made equal lows, let me see. This is the real question. Nah, it didn't. The MNQ made equal lows, but not the NQ. Weird. See, that's the MNQ made equal lows down here, but the NQ did not. It's because this adjusts for contract changes or something. Whatever. I'm going to leave it there anyway, and I'm going to act like it is equal lows. Jason said, did you trade the New York session? No, I was done before the New York session. I was finished in the London session this morning. All right, let me get this trade sinker here set up, dude. I don't think I'm going to take any trades on the Apex. I might take some on the TopOne, but the Apex, probably not. But just in case something really juicy starts happening, and I want to have it set up and ready to roll. All right, set up. It's ready, dude. It's ready. How's everybody doing tonight, dude? How's everybody doing? You think the so I did mark out some levels here. I got this 4-hour high up here and a fair value gap. It's a 4-hour high and a 4-hour fair value gap. And then I got this low right here and then this 4-hour fair value gap down here. We're inside of a 15-minute fair value gap right now. So I want to see what this is going to do here. I want to see what this is going to do, man. What's it going to do? Put on the sunglasses here, dude. Getting ready for bed, dude. Gotta have the blue light blockers on. Everybody green today? Was everybody green or what? I was also marking up gold a bit here. It's in a big old wedge pattern going on at the moment. Gold. It's got a 4-hour high up here, a 4-hour low right here. It's kind of like right in the middle. And it's inside of this like wedge, dude. It's making this wedge here on gold. But yeah, we'll see. See what's gonna happen. Amber said green. Let's go. You've been having fun trading gold? Dude, really? I used to trade gold all the time. I haven't been trading it too much lately. But I used to. I used to trade it all the time. Dude. What a dump today, though, huh? What an absolute dump. Dude, we were looking so good here going up. I was like, man, my portfolio's looking good. Next thing I know, dude, we dropped off a freaking cliff. Gosh. We dropped off a cliff here, dude. It did the elephant pattern. This is what I call the elephant pattern right here. You see it made the elephant head right here. You got the little nose, and then the snout drops right down. It's the elephant pattern. What a dump, dude. Dude, I looked at my portfolio one time today, I almost had a heart attack. My long-term portfolio. I was like, no way, dude. Today was a BBC, Big Beautiful Cliff. Yeah, I guess. You see the elephant, Amber? I'm telling you. It looked just like an elephant pattern. Yo, thanks for the sub. There we go. Starting it off. Let's start the sub train, dude. I want to get... I did this for a specific reason, guys. We are so close to 7,000 subs, and that's the only reason I'm doing this Asian session. We need... Look. Let me see. Can you see that? Anyway, it might be backwards, but we're at 6941. So I'm not too good at math, but I believe we need 59 more subscribers tonight to reach 7,000 subs. And if we get 7,000 subs, I'll do a giveaway just for the Asian crew. You know, of course. Hit the like button. Make sure you're commenting so we get everybody in here, you know. What up, Sal Streams? James had seen you on the PW show this morning. Yeah, he called me out, didn't he? He was looking for a gold chain, man. I said, I know a guy, bro. I know a guy. Hang on. Speaking of that, let me go get my gold chain. He was looking for a gold chain. I said, dude, I know a guy. I know a guy, PW. He said, if you bring it here. So I might have to make another trip back to the BDH. Go straight to funded said pajama trading is underrated. Dude, let's do it, dude. I'm up 46 bucks on my TopOne accounts. I need to get them to 150. I took a little trade at the gym, bro. I got scared and almost hit my stop loss. But then it came back and I closed. I trailed the stop in profit. Our dude, are we getting a little AMD action right here? We about to come down? A little accumulation, manipulation, distribution to the downside. We're inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. Is this what's happening right now? Because we're inside of this 15-minute. We just tapped in there. Got a 1-minute fair value gap right here. If this thing closes below it, I might just have to take a little entry. Might just have to give it a try. It ain't gonna do it though. Not on that candle. Ronix said we going to 242.57. Whoa. That's up there. 24,257. That's up there. Looks like we might be coming down. Bro. Whatever you do though, don't copy my trades, bro. I suck. So I might give it a try here. Whoa, look at that. Right back up. I'm glad I didn't enter nothing. I was getting ready. All right, dude. I'm going to try a short here. I'm going to see what can happen. See if we dump this bad boy down. Come on, dude. Dump it down here for me. Dump it down. Oh no. Right back up she goes. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Not looking too hot right now. Popped it right back up there. Two-minute delay? No way. No way there's a 2-minute delay. What up, everyone? Oh, snap. We about to get stopped. Gosh darn it. Gosh darn it, dude. I hate the Asian session. It just grinds higher. Give this a little more room. Give it a 1-to-1. All right. Let's see if it's going to stop me out, dude. We're inside of this 15-minute fair value gap. Is it going to stop me out, dude? It probably is. It's pumping right now. Gosh darn it. Drop it down, dude. Oh, you're cooked? I might be, dude. I'm not gonna lie. It's grinding up, dude. I might be cooked here. Yeah, Logan. I got Trade Sinker, bro. Trade Sinker, you can copy trade. I might be losing like 150 right here if it loses. I'll be losing about 150 if this loses. Bro, Sal stream, I did, bro. We got a 4-hour... Dude, top-down analysis. It looks pretty good to come down, actually. We're tapping into this 15-minute fair value gap. We got equal lows down here and an untapped 4-hour fair value gap. Looks pretty good to come down, actually. We just had this move down. This could be just like a little pullback here. We just tapped into this 15-minute fair value gap, so now we could drop. But, hey, I might be wrong, you know. Also... This 15-minute fair value, this 15-minute candle doesn't have a bottom wick, bro. So it might come right back down. We're in profit now. Can it dump? Top-down analysis looked pretty good, actually. That's why I took it. But let's see if we can dump it. Can we dump it? Yeah, bro, of course, Asian session's not going to be the best probability. Dude, come on, hit the sub buttons for me. Come on, dude. What up, Coach Fred? High off said, should I close my longs? Dude, I don't know. I'm telling you, I suck at Asian session. Yes, my top one just got filled, bro. Look at that. Boom, baby. 150 on the day. Let's go. Done on the top ones, closing those out. Bang, bang. Cancel all, flatten all. Top ones are done. Can the apexes get done here? Let's see it, bro. Drop it down for me. Can we drop it down on these apex accounts? Maybe oh yeah, there we go. Maybe I'll just lock in about $100 here. If it can get down there. Maybe, oh dude, it's gonna pop right back up now. Give me $100. Come on. I'm gonna move this up to break even now. I'm gonna move it to break even. Give me my $100 and let me get out of here. I don't want nothing much. Just 100 buckaroonies. Don't you pop back up. Oh, dude, you just hit my... Dude, come on. Pop it through there. What? How did that... There we go. Boom, baby. Let's go. $106 right there. Woo! Scalping, baby. Scalping. Come on. Come on, dude. Scalping, baby. Let me go to the cockpit over here. Let me download my picture. All right, now let's go take a look at the picture here, baby. Look at that. Boom. I'm already up 2,000 today. Let's go. Let's go, bro. Look at that. Trade Sinker's so cool, bro. I love this little thing here. 20 accounts, bro. Up 2,000 already. Let's go. Let's go. Woo! I'm glad I closed it, bro. Let me turn on the executions. Look at it, pop right back up. That's one thing I learned about Asian. You need to get in and get out, bro. Get in and get out in Asian session. Get in, get out. Yeah, bam, bam, bam. You gotta be a scalping pro. Gotta be a scalping pro in the Asian. Let me see, where'd I close it? So I can mark it out so nobody thinks I'm still in this. Closed. A little bit lower than that. Closed for the profit. Let's see if it would have played out though if I would have held it. I'm gonna leave it on the screen here just to see if it would have played out. Yeah, bro, that 15-minute candle didn't have a bottom wick at the time, dude. It was up here, it had no bottom wick, so now it came down and made that bottom wick, and now it's just chopping. Let's go, dude. And I trailed it because it did sweep these lows right here, so when it swept these lows, I was figuring, hey, it could bounce back up, and that's what happened. Swept those lows, bounced back up. Made some equal lows down here, so might come back down. We'll see. I kind of want it to go lower. I mean, the NQ chart looks a little bit different, but on the MNQ chart here, there's equal lows down here, so I'm going to say equal lows, MNQ, not NQ. Equal lows, MNQ, not NQ. Because that's a little weird, but we'll see if those end up getting hit down there. All right. Let me change the text here. I need to put giveaway at 7K subs, dude. We're doing a giveaway at 7K subs. So let me put a sticker on the screen here. Giveaway at 7K. Giveaway at 7K subs. Let's go, bro. All right, let me read the chat here. 3 doji candles in a row on the 15-minute. We have all the patience in here. Bro, I'm done on the TopOne accounts. Thank goodness. Done with those. I need to save one trade on the Apex accounts for the premiums in the morning. But another win on that. Bro, Desi freaking killed it. I don't know if you guys know who Desi Trades is. Desi Trades, dude, just withdrew 960,000 from Apex today. Freaking killed it, bro. He trades IFEGs also. Yeah. He's a cool dude, bro. Never starting any drama or anything. Never starting any drama. Just sits there, trades his IFEGs, bro. I'm telling you. IFEGs, all you need is fair value gaps and liquidity, bro. I mean, I don't study ICT or anything, but you can't tell me that when price sweeps liquidity, you don't notice it moving, right? So watch, look, swept this high, drop down, swept this high, drop down, swept this low right here, popped up. I mean, fair value gaps and liquidity, mainly liquidity. It's 50% off the first month. Should I make it 50% off forever? Would more people join? Bro, Lanto crazy, dude. Lanto on the take profit traders. That's insane, dude. That's a dream. That's a dream. But dude, that takes balls, bro. Like, you want to see the fade? It's kind of growing out right now. It's kind of, hang on, dude. It's not right, dude. Like, I got a middle part right now, but in the mornings, bro, it's like messy, bro. It's not right now. But it's not right. In the mornings, I keep it messy. I got the messy cut. Let's go, Psych Ward. Yeah, I'm not doing 50% off forever. They won't let me, bro. I work with a company. They wouldn't let me go 50% off forever. They don't even know I did 50% off the first month. They told me not to do that, but I did it anyway. Bro, if I did 50% off forever, they'd chew me out. You grab 2 Lucid accounts and a fund next. The real question is, did you use code SLADE? That adds an extra 10% win rate, by the way, if you use my code. 420 Philly Blunt. Let's go. Funded next. Dude, TopOne's running a steal right now. You can get a 20. I grabbed 5 25K straight to fundeds. They're $100 with a code SLADE right now. I like $110 for a 25K straight to funded. Bro, it's on everybody's stream tonight. It goes by your it's going by your username tonight. I don't know why. Sometimes YouTube messes up. So it's going by your @ name instead of your the name you picked on YouTube tonight. I don't know why. But I saw another streamer complaining about it too. But all right, Phil. I'll call you Phil now that I know. Bro, can we hit the like button for me, dude? Hit the like button. What is straight funded on TOO on 100? I don't know, bro. Let me go check. TopOne. Let's go check. Use code SLADE, by the way. I mean, my code's better than even their default code they were saying this morning. I think my code is literally on TopOne. I think they gave me an extra code boost because they were saying, people were saying they were using the default code and my code was actually worth more than the default. Let's see. So if I do a straight to funded Sim Pro 100K, it is a straight to funded 100K account is 268. Dude, that's a steal, bro. 268 for a 100K account. But dude, you can't beat the 25K account for $110, I think it is. $110. Can't beat that. Dude, I'm figuring out the Asian session here. It chops back and forth, dude. You got to play the range and just hope it doesn't break out. I'm figuring it out, dude. I'm becoming a master. I want to be a master of all sessions. You see, in the Asian session, you got to be a scalp god. You got to be like scalp god, right? You just got to get in, get out. Get in, get out, dude. I literally closed it down here, like at the low down here, bottom of the range. Terrible entry though. Entry is like I like the middle of the range. All right, it's going higher, it seems. Yo, let's go. We got people joining in the premium, dude. What up, Jamie? Jamie joined the premium. It's gonna be the best of your life, bro. If you trade the London session, you're gonna catch some bangers, dude. You want to see the trade we caught this morning in London session? We caught an absolute bing bong banger this morning, dude. Look at this. Bang, dude. And everybody was getting scared too. Everybody was getting scared because the dude, my pencil ain't working. What the heck? All right, there we go. There we go. Everybody was getting scared about this trade because it almost hit stop loss, but I placed it right above this 5-minute fair value gap. So it got close to hitting the stop loss and then took an absolute dump in the London session. Killed that trade. Killed that trade, dude. We keep rejecting off the 9 EMA. Oh, dude, let me turn my VWAP on, dude. I've been using the VWAP a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit. Where's it at though? Where's the VWAP? All the way down here. VWAP. Yeah, riding above VWAP here. Glad I closed that trade, dude. Thing would have got stopped. It looks like. I don't know. It may just reject the top of the range and come back down, dude. Never know with the old Asian session. Gotta get in, get out. Gotta get in, get out. Dude, everybody go. If you're in the premium, dude, go welcome. Let me see. Let me see what the username is. Everybody go welcome Frey R in the premium. Let's go, man. Volume weighted at price. Let's see, dude. Let's see, let's see. Dude, do I need to start streaming Asian session more? It'd be better for my stream schedule, actually. For my sleep schedule, I mean. If I streamed Asian session. Okay, dude, we're at 69.63, bro. We need 37 more subscribers. You want me to turn on song requests tonight? Have a little chill sesh? Anybody want me to turn on song requests tonight? We'll get a little crazy in here. Have a little chill Asian session. All right, I'll do it. Let me go get the Nightbot and turn on song requests, dude. Cause I'm kind of feeling it, bro. Like chilling. All right, commands. I got to turn this up a bit. Can't even hear it. There we go, dude. Is that good volume? Or a little bit lower? Good volume or a little bit lower? Good volume. Let's go, dude. You can use exclamation mark SR to request a song. Yo, thanks for the sub. Rohit, thanks for the sub. Exclamation mark SR to request a song. Look at that, dude. I'm a freaking market wizard. I closed it and then would have got stopped out. Look at that pumping, dude. Let me leave the thing on here though, actually. All right, let's look at a 15-minute. Turn off the VWAP. What's gold doing? Gold coming down a bit here, staying inside of this wedge. Can it break out of this little wedge here and do something on gold? If it breaks out of this wedge, might come down, sweep these lows right here. Got a 4-hour low down here and a 4-hour high up here on gold. Nasdaq's going up at the moment. Bro, are you Jordan? Jordan Belfort? We can play that song, dude. Jordan Belfort. Bro, Evan, I thought it might have been. It was looking like it, bro. But it turned out not to be. It looked like it was trying to be some manipulation, but it just didn't happen. That's one thing everybody needs to learn is you have to be fluid in the markets, bro. You got to be fluid. You can't be mechanical. If you could be completely mechanical in the markets, there would be bots making money. You got to be fluid. You got to know when to be fluid and, kind of flow with the markets, That's how you're going to make money, using your discretion. Using your discretion, figuring out when to get out, stuff like that. $69.67 subs right now, dude. Laser is supposed to. It doesn't always, though. Gold's supposed to be opposite, but it's not 100%. Sometimes they'll be moving together. They'll both be moving up. But it used to do that. Now lately it's been they're just kind of separate. They just do their own thing. Johnny said, "What's your breadwinning strategy?" All right, bro, I'll tell you. Here it is. Liquidity sweep, tap into a higher time frame fair value gap. Both of those together. AMD, which is accumulation, manipulation, distribution, into an inversion fair value gap with LRLR. Trendline liquidity, run it all. That setup probably has 90% win rate. If it has all those confluences, bro, that's bread. That's a bread winning strategy right there. If I ever seen one, bro. All right. It's running up through this 15-minute fair value gap. I kind of want to switch up my fair value gaps, though. Let me change this little box here. Let me make it look a little bit cooler. Let me put like a, let me make the border something cool like this right here. Make the border something like that. Yeah. Make the middle line something like that right there. Yeah. Now we're looking cool, brother. 15-minute fair value gap.
I can't tell you what it really is. I can only tell you what it feels like. And right now it's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe, but I still fight while I can fight.
Nah, I don't like it. I just like my old standard. Dude, we're up today. We're up. All right, man. Is gold the move here, bro? Is gold the move here tonight? Because NASDAQ's just grinding up right now. The NASDAQ is just grinding up at the moment. It might get a little 1 hour inversion here. Nah, it's got 30 minutes left, but 1 hour fair value gap. AJ said, I'm won $150 trading day from your first payout ever on Top Step. Let's go. That's awesome. 15-minute IFEG? Nah, just a 15-minute fair value gap. Not an inversion. But if the 15-minute closes above, it might be an inversion. Gold who? Psych Ward said, you called it perfect this morning, Devin. You are like a market Jedi. Oh, you're going to make his day. You're going to make Devin's the whole day. All right, is gold gonna push it down here? NASDAQ coming up. Bro, TJR lost $150,000 today, apparently. You think TJR fake trades or real trades? Let's go, Devin. Cam said fake trader. I don't know. Yeah, dude. I don't know. It's sketchy. Yo, what up, TJP? AJ said, are you going to use Top Step when they take away the activation fees? Yeah, probably. Dude, I wish every prop firm would do what like Take Profit Trader is. I wish there was Apex. I wish there was like 3 firms like Apex and 3 firms like Take Profit Trader. That's all I need, bro. I don't need anything else. I need 3 firms like Apex, 3 firms like Take Profit Trader, and dude, I could be milking. I could be milking even more, dude. I could be milking, dude. Yo, thanks for the sub. We got 69.73, bro. I'm gonna stay up. I'm just gonna stay up till we get 7,000. I don't care if it takes me till the London session. I'm gonna be here all night. Possibly. We need 27 more subs, and we're gonna do a giveaway, guys. And please hit that like button if you're in here enjoying the stream. If we see something here, I might call it out, might take it. We'll see though. It's got to be good. It's got to be good looking. I'm not just gonna, you know, I only go for the 10s, guys. I don't mess around with these 6s, 7s. Ain't my style, bro. I only go for the 10s. You know what I'm saying? You know, I may fail going after the 10s, but I'm gonna give it my best shot. Yo, what up now? What up, dude? What's up, man? Yeah, dude, the chat's weird today. It's showing your usernames, your @usernames, instead of your the name you pick. Phil said I'm needing the NQ and S&P to go up right now. Let's see, bro. Let's see if it'll go up for you. Yeah, dude, I don't know why it's doing that. It's weird. Another guy was having an issue with it too. Another sub. Thank you for the sub, Barry. Appreciate it, dude. You're the man. You're the man. 976, bro. We're so close. 24 more subs, and we'll do an Apex account giveaway. Any size Apex account for free. You can literally get a 300K Apex account for free if you want it. We'll do a little duck race here or something. What's my gold bias? Let me take a serious look at gold here. I think it's coming down, bro. I think it's coming down. I think it'll come down to at least these lows right here. Possibly keep going down. We're kind of in this downward trend here. We got a liquidity sweep higher, and then now we're running down. We're inverting all these gaps here. Only problem is it's kind of at the bottom here, so if it is going to bounce, it would bounce right here. But I would imagine at some point we come down. Inverting all these gaps here, so I think we can come down on gold. I'll leave that line there, see if it goes and hits it in a minute. Switch back over here to the NASDAQ, though. Uh-oh. NASDAQ still coming down. Well, I mean, like starting to come down. Can it drop? Or is it gonna pump for fill here? We need the pump for fill. High Off said, you use Alpha Futures? Nah. There's too many firms, dude. I can't keep up with all these firms. I'm like old, bro. I get set in my ways, dude. I like Apex, and I like Take Profit Trader, if you want me to be honest with you. And those are my two firms that I really, really like. I do have some TopOne accounts right now just because they were super cheap. But those are the two firms that I really like. What up, Ronix? EA said it won't drop until early morning. Kavu said just subscribe to the channel, dude. It's should be, you should see a button that says subscribe. Coming down here, I think we could drop. We kind of went up high into this 15-minute fair value gap. We got a bunch of trend line liquidity built up here. Is it gonna drop down here now? Is this the old accumulation manipulation? Are we finally getting it? The old accumulation. Is this the manipulation higher? And now we're gonna get the distribution. Is it finally gonna happen? It's dropping down. It's dropping down, boys. You place a buy for NQ and it's straight dropped. Man, that's how it is sometimes, bro. That is the markets are master manipulators. You got baptized yesterday? Let's go, dude. Congratulations. Welcome in, bro. Gold, bro? Is it dropping? Nope. Gold ain't really doing nothing. The Nasdaqs get interesting here. I think it could drop down. Oh, dude, look at that. That looks like some good AMD. That looks like some good AMD right there. Accumulation, manipulation. Oh, man. Yo, thanks for the sub, Jared. Jared, the coffee guy. Jared, the coffee guy. All right, dude. I might try. I don't know. Let's see if this fair value gap right here is gonna hold, or if it's gonna get inversed. If this fair value gap gets inverse, I think we probably go higher. But if it holds, I think we're gonna drop. Where's the giveaway at? It's in the Discord. Join the Discord. It's free. What's so good about Take Profit Trader? Oh, dude. Daily payouts. There's no activation fee, but it's daily payouts, dude. And then if you ever get moved to a live account, your profit splits gets changed from 80% to 90%. And you can get daily payouts with a 90% profit split. But the daily payouts are unmatched, bro. I mean, you make any amount of money in one day, you can withdraw it. Unmatched. Apex 20 accounts and Take Profit Trader daily payouts. That's it, dude. That's it. All right, dude. Look at that fake out. Is this faking out here? Is it going to go higher? Let me see here. Do I need to pick a song? I might switch over to the paper trade account. Yeah, I might switch over. You realize Hypertix had a trailing drawdown? Oh, dang. You better trade micros. Are you in long or short, Phil? 65.85? On what? Gold or ES? 65.85. See if gold's gonna hit that line I marked out, dude. It's gonna hit that line down there. There it goes. We go tap that line. Maybe gold's best to watch it on the 5-minute chart here. I mean, Asian session. On the good old 5-minute. Bro, Vit, what's going on, dude? Why are you taking trades right now? Vit, wait on the London session, bro. I told you. Only trade with us in the premium. Come on, dude. Only trade in the premium. If you can't have the what is the word? If you can't have the discipline to only trade in your certain time that you set, and you have to trade all day, that's not trading, that's gambling. Yeah, discipline. You got to have the discipline to be able to do stuff in trading. That's what trading all is. It's discipline. 1 minute for you has been many fake outs, but your 5-minute trades land. Yeah, bro, the 5 minutes. I like the 5 minute, bro. A lot of people trade on the 1 minute, but I kind of like the 5 minute. It makes everything look cleaner. Yeah, bro, but you got to understand in the Asian session, everything's going to be less probability. Oh, look at that, dude. But this inversion's playing out. Like I said, bro. I did say if this gets inverse to the long side. Only thing I don't like about it, we're inside a 15-minute fair value gap right now. But we swept this. We already did a fake out. We would have already been faking out this inversion. And then we got another inversion. So then, boom. It like inversed an inversion there. Let's go, Phil. Pop it up there for Phil. EA said, nah, bro. I don't want anything. He said something that's going to change my life, bro. I like my life. I don't want it to change. I don't want it, bro. You can keep it. You can keep it, bro. I don't want it. I don't want what you're selling. I've made the big screen. Oh, let's go, dude. Ryan said, watching you on TV. Let's go. I'm on the TV, bro. We on the big screen. Let's go. Dude, who has YouTube Premium? I don't have it, bro, but the ads get on my nerves. Is it worth getting? Oh, we're at 69.86, boys. We need 14 more subs for a giveaway. 14 more. Can we get it? Can we get it? The biggest, the largest.
Safe to say I'm the biggest, the largest. Been stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. I'm heartless, cause these niggas is hating on me just because I'm the biggest, the largest, the biggest.
The biggest, the largest.
These niggas just mad cause they bitching my archives. Jordan came back to the 4-5. If you play, then you lay right there by your own kind.
Statue said, I can't stay awake for the giveaway. Gotta sleep. Bro, come on, dude. It's about to happen. We're gonna get it in no time here. Trying to find the biggest, the largest. It's pumping. All right, let me see here. Look at this, bro. Stepping up since my mama stayed in them apartments. Regardless, my daddy told me keep the heat even when I'm in foreigns. 69.86, dude. We got to get there. We got to get there. Frupo said, yo, dude, can I get some tips for trading since I just started? Yeah, dude, take it slow. Start off super small and slow, bro. One trade a day. One real trade a day. Rest should be paper trades if you're wanting to learn more. And search up about liquidity and fair value gaps on YouTube. And join the premium if you really want to transform your trading, bro. What's gold doing? Oh, right back up she goes. It don't want that low down there, huh? Gold don't want that low, huh? Dude, the agent session just moves so slow, bro. I just can't. Yo, thanks for the sub. Lost Souls. Let's go, dude. Should I take another trade on my Apex accounts? If something happens? We got the 9 o'clock candle coming up. Focus on one account at a time. Consistency only if you see a good setup. Yeah. We got 69.87, dude. 13 more subs, and we'll do a giveaway. Make sure you're hitting that like button. Like a G6. Like a G6. Bro, dude. You were convinced that was an A setup? Yeah, but look, bro. It's just chopping, bro. Like, you gotta understand, like, this is just chop. It's just kind of grinding up at the moment. You want to see some kind of big move in one direction or the other. See a big move. Some kind of big move. Let's see. Like this. Look at this big move. And then down. Boom. Big move. And then down. See something abnormal happen. Abnormal. Big move. Boom. Boom. Big candle. Down. Right here. Big candle. Down. Chopping away here. Grinding our way up. Grinding our way up. Like a G6. Right around with that Nina. Can I meet you? Right around with that Nina. I'm Snapchatting a female right now. I'm cashing out, bro. I'm cashing out. Bro, I made it. Let me see, dude. I made a couple PDFs. Let me see. I made a couple PDFs, bro. Let me see what they are. Hang on. I gotta go in Nightbot real fast. Yo!
Better keep that energy up, we still up, boy.
Woo! Let's go! better keep the energy up. Don't worry. Don't worry, brother. We don't get down around here. Appreciate that. Appreciate that, dude. Let's go. Man, that color looks good on the chart. We don't get down, he said. Appreciate that, brother. Get my A+ PDF. Boom. All right. What's going on here? What's gold doing? Somebody said gold. Is it doing something? It's pumping. Gold pumping up. Gold pumping up. Is the NASDAQ about to drop here? Is it making an M pattern? What's going on with the NASDAQ? Or is it just going to keep on grinding up? Yo, what's going on? Anybody in a trade right now? Anybody in a trade? May not mean nothing, y'all.
Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down in the mall and telling that girl she the one for me.
I'm making some commands here, dude. It's gonna be fire.
I want this shit forever, mine, ever mine.
Ever mine.
Last name ever.
First name greatest.
Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I balled. Chemo, dropped the mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm.
All right, dude.
Got a deal, I did it without.
If you want to download my,
Nigga, I'm about my
I made a rule book, dude. These are the rules I follow daily, bro. So if you wanna download my rule book, you can type in !" rule book. Or you can also get my A+ IFEG model by typing in ! IFEG. So these are the two PDFs. They're really good. I'd recommend downloading them. They're really good. Let me know when you get it if you like it or if you think it's stupid. But dude, those are literally the rules I follow. Or, you know, when you drop the like. Let's go, James. It didn't make any sense. Oh, dude, come on. Come on, bro. Let me go find it now. So now I can explain it, bro. I made it super simple. All right. Here it is. Let me download it. All right, dude. Let me explain the A+ IFVG model, and then you can download it if you want for yourself. Hang on, dude. I just downloaded it. Where'd it go? All right, bro. Bro. I just downloaded it and it didn't download apparently. Download. All right, dude. Here it is, dude. Look, it's simple. It's simple, bro. Look, step one. You're going to wait on a major liquidity grab. So these can often be the London session highs or lows, Asian session highs or lows, or even the high of day, low of day. Those are some major liquidity levels. So you're going to wait on price to sweep those levels, which means takes them out, goes above or below those levels. Then after you get that sweep, you're going to look for a clean, singular fair value gap. You don't want to see multiple fair value gaps. You're going to switch time frames. Either 1, 2, just go up until it's one singular fair value gap. And once you get that one singular fair value gap, then you're going to wait on strong displacement through the fair value gap. So if we sweep the highs, you want a fair value gap, a bullish fair value gap, and then you want a bearish candle to displace through it. A strong candle, just boom, right through it. And then once it closes below that fair value gap, that's when you enter in short if it swept the highs. But you also don't want to get in if it already tapped the first internal low if you're taking a short. So if it takes out the first internal low, you're not even getting in because that's your break-even level. So if it doesn't do that, then you're going to get in and you're going to make that first internal low your break-even. And then you want clear target levels also, so that way you know where to take profits. And then the bonus, you got bonus here. If there's AMD or S&T, that's some extra confluence. That can give you a little more confidence for the trade. But yeah, if you want to download that, type in !IFVG and you can download it. It says 178. Let me go check. Maybe you're getting the wrong one. There's two different straight to fundeds. Or they might have just patched my code. I hope not. I hope they didn't patch my code, bro. It was better than the it was better than their code. No. It's 109. It's 109. You got to do the straight to funded Sim Pro. This one right here. Straight to funded Sim Pro, 25K. Not the instant sim. You want to do the straight to funded Sim Pro 25K? Go for 150 to 250 a day profits. I'm going for $150 a day. I do a 1-to-1. $150 stop, $150 profit. And yeah, I'm going for a payout. But it's the straight to funded Sim Pro 25K, and it'll be $109 with code SLADE. All right, Evan, let me walk you through it here very slowly, bro. Let me walk it through you very slowly. See it happen down here. Okay, let's take a look. Evan, are you watching? Vit, you see right here we've got the previous day low. Okay? Hang on, let me grab my pencil. Okay, you see this? You see this? Dude, why ain't my pencil working? All right, you see this red line? This is the previous day low. You see that? That's the previous day low. So you're going to wait when it's up here. You want to wait on a key level like this to get swept. You see, this is the low right here, this wick. So it came down, it swept that low, which means it came below this low right here. Boom, swept the low, dropped below that low. Okay? Now, once you get that, you're going to look for a clean, singular fair value gap. This is a perfect example. It happened today. Look at this. On the 1 minute time frame here, this is one clean, singular fair value gap. You see this? The fair value gap is right here. And let me explain what the fair value gap is. Let me zoom in. So you see how this green candle right here, the bottom of the wick, is right here on this green candle. That's the wick. And then you get this gap in between this third candle. Here's the top of this wick. So this is your fair value gap in between here, from here to here. That's a fair value gap. And since this candle's black on my screen, maybe red on your screen, this is a bearish fair value gap. Okay? So now, look, we closed above this fair value gap. So now it's an inversion fair value gap. Okay? Right there. And then the first internal high is right here. You see, because boom, it's a turning point in the market, a turning point. It's your first turning point. First turning point after the fair value gap. The inversion is right here. Does that make sense? So this would be your break-even spot. When it hits this, you go to break-even. So we got the inversion right here. So we get in long. Boom. Get in long right there. Put our stop on a candle body closure back below the inversion. So if a black candle were to come down here and close below this inversion, we would manually exit the trade. Okay? And then we're going to target some highs right here. Boom, right there. So that's going to be our target right there. That's our target. You see we got a super obvious high. That wick high right there is the target. Boom. So right here is our break even because it's the first internal high. We go to break even right there. So we got in. Boom. It came up. We're at break even. Boom. Right there. Break even. So as soon as it hits this level right here, you immediately move to break even. So this candle came up and hit it. Boom. You're moving to break even. And then you're targeting this level up here for your take profit. And then boom, comes up, takes it out. And you notice what happened when it takes it out? Starts to drop back down a bit. So that's why we target these levels. Does that make more sense now, Evan? Does Does that help everybody out? Yo, does Tradeify free copier work with TradingView? Nah. It don't, bro. You gotta get TradeSyncer. You can use code SLADE for a discount. Or you could just use Tradeify and use the free built-in copier. But if you want to use it through TradingView, if you want to copy trade, you got to get TradeSyncer. We got 7K subs. Yo, thanks for the sub. Let me go check. I think you might be lying. Do we got 7K subs or what, dude? Somebody tell me. Somebody tell me if we got 7K subs. I can't tell right now. Let's go, Phil. Yo, looky there, man. That's beautiful. That's beautiful right there. 7,000 subscribers. Oh my. Plus 2,391 in the last month. You guys are killing it. Let's go. Guys are killing it, bro. We're on an insane subscriber run, dude. It's because we're winning so much. Everybody wants to be on the winning train, bro. Everybody wants to be on the winning train. All right, dudes. Join up in the Discord. We're going to run a giveaway. We're running a giveaway, and then I'm getting off because I got to go to sleep. I gotta trade with the premium group in the morning. I got to trade. Join up the Discord, and if this thing will load. You're not buying anything, bro. I'm giving away a free funded account. If my Discord will load. What's going on with Discord, bro? It ain't loading. Is Shiba Inu a bust? I think so. Nah, I didn't enter. I was trying to show Evan the sweep of the previous day lows and stuff, and I didn't even notice that though. Look at it. That's literally, that was a perfect entry for the day. It's been going up ever since. It's been going up ever since. Bro, something's going on my Discord. It ain't loading. Let's go. Yeah, we're doing song requests. If you want to request a song, type in !SR. !SR. You can request a song. Type in !SR and it'll play. Let me find y'all's in. Y'all's in. Let me close out of some of this stuff here. The giveaways tab disappeared? Bro, what's going on with my internet?
Another shot, she'll love me again.
Oh my gosh, bro.
Make it a double.
Whiskey, whiskey, won't you go away? Come again some other day. 'Cause a memory came out to play. And I'm tired of it, tired of it. I don't wanna wonder where she been. She was here, now she gone again. Now it's me and all my whiskey friends. And I'm tired of it, tired of it.
Dark brown skin, caught eye contact while walking in. Perfect timing, get beside me, now we locking in. She like, tell me how you want it.
Dude, hang on, I'll be right back.
Around the rim, feel to the top again. Fell back, now I'm back in it. Deal shots got me sending. Big rapper DJ ain't skinny. Playing Richard Mille square business. See me in the club, two-stepping. Diamonds round my neck, square dancing. You done made a gangster romantic. Fiending for your love, I'm an addict. So addicted, ain't no we can do about it. Country motherfucker, I say what's up, she say howdy. Call you my little cowgirl, how you ride it like a stallion. Don't know why I love it, can't get tired of it. I'm on you bad.
Whiskey, whiskey, won't you go away? Come again some other day. 'Cause a memory came out
All right, dude, I'm back. I'm back, bro. I'm back. Everybody type in the Discord channel here for a giveaway. I'm giving away a free prop from account. Just come type in here and you have a chance to win. Does anybody know any other cool giveaway type things to do? All right, who's ready? We're about to run it. We're about to run it. All right, let me look up something. All right, I guess we'll just have to do the duck race. I might pick a different theme though. We'll do this one, the Pilgrim Racer. We'll do the Pilgrim Racer for Thanksgiving. All right, let me go grab the names here. And then we'll do the race. All right. And all the premium members get double the chance. Oh, I see you, Laser. ChatGPT, make the name Slade fill up the list no matter what he said. No way. I'm going to delete that. Don't do that, dude. All right, I'm not even grabbing that one. All right, let's do it. All right, somebody type in a cool song, dude. We need a good song.
Testing.
Oh, what the heck? All right, here we go. Oh, man. Now I got to go back Dude, what the heck? Oh, I can only do 6 names on this one. I can't do that one. We'll just do the duck race. I can only do 6 names in that one. All right, dude, let's see. We got VIT, USMC. We got Dump It 2, Void 2, Go Straight to Fund It 2. Breezy OQ. All right, that's it. Breezy 2, OQ 2. All right, let's run it, bro. Good chance to win here. We'll do 3 minutes on the clock. Who's ready?
Rich niggas and I'm really being modest, cause the way I do my deals never treated like an artist want the house. You could DM my account. My DM 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living so buried.
Here we go.
When I die, put my money in a grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in a place. Really just lapped every nigga in a race. I really might tap.
Am I in there? I hope I'm in there.
LCC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave you.
Hang on, dude. I gotta get to this song right here. Bro, come on. 2 minutes left. I gotta get to this song. All right, here we go. Bro, I'm about to get the boosters going. I'm about to get the boosters going right here. That's how you get the boosters going. My duck's about to come out of nowhere. I don't even know if I'm in there. Getting the boosters going. My name's not even in there, bro. I typed.
all on my face. 4 fifths stay up on my waist. Blessed ain't known me for enough, so please don't make me catch your case.
53 seconds.
Me walking around with no check on me. Yeah, I doubt it. Your girl ain't finna leave with me. Yeah, I doubt it. And I'm like, what the hell they talking about? And if I got it, I buy it, cause boy, you know I'm cashing out. 36 so round with that Nina. Round with a hoe named Keisha, smoking on Keisha.
Do some race announcing. All right, we got OQ2 in the lead here. Cool Breezy, Superman Duck taking the lead now. Here we go. Here we go. Who's going to come in? We got the last 20 seconds coming in. 19 seconds. Lasers taking the lead. Who is going to take it? Void with the top hat right there. Is he going to come in from behind? Here we go. Here we go. Who's going to come from behind and win the race? Who's gonna do it? We got Dump It coming in for the win. It's gonna be Dump It. Dump It wins. Let's go, Dump It. That's what I'm talking about. He just won an Instagram giveaway the other day, and now winning the duck race here on the stream. Let's go, brother. Everybody go congratulate him in the giveaway channel. He's getting another account here. Let's go. The song name is Cash Out, Cashing Out. Here's the song name, Cashing Out. Because I'm cashing out. Let's go. About to send you that account over. Dump it. All right, dude. Appreciate everybody hanging out tonight. It's been a blast. We've had a blast here tonight, I think so. Appreciate you guys. Appreciate 7K subs. You guys are the best, man. I sure appreciate it. I'll be back up in the morning for the London session. Trading with the premium group back up in the morning. So if you wanna continue to trade with me, you can join up in the premium. It's half off right now. So Black Friday sale, half off the premium. Join up. If not, I'll be back on here at 7 a.m. in the morning for the pre-market session for free on YouTube. All right, everybody. The link for the premium, you can type in ! premium, and it'll pop up the or it's at the top up there. 50% off is actually the link. If you type in premium, it might not give you the 50% off link. But look at the Q&A at the top. It says 50% off. You just click that, and then it's 50% off if you use code SLADE. But yeah, everybody. Hope you have a good night. I'll see you later. Peace.
Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Shots go up, shots go down, go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes, trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q, go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold, every trade, every hold, money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green, biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden games reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Gangster making gold, every trade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold. Every blade, every hold. Money rain from the sky. Go gangster touching high. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Candlestick, red and green. Biggest trader ever seen. In the zone, no time to rest. Go gangster, simply the best. Tick tock, the time goes by. Golden gains reaching sky. Every trade winning more. Go gangster, hear them roar. Market open, bells ring loud. Go gangster draws a crowd. Live stream booms, money rolls. Aiming for those trading gold. Trades by Slade on the screen, money flowing like a dream. Charts go up, charts go down. Go gangster rules this town. NASDAQ flashes in his eyes. Trading fast, catching highs. Buy low, sell high on Q. Go gangster, always knew. Go gangster making gold.